Servus, ich bin der Peter Mannhardsberger.
Hi, my name is Peter Mannhardsberger, Product Manager at AUSTRIALPIN, and today I want to present you the world's fastest autolock carabiner, the HMS RONDO with Slide Autolock. The Rondo is our well-known HMS carabiner, which is available with many different locks, now also with the Slide Autolock. Thanks to the lock of the carabiner, it can be opened unbelievably fast and intuitively. Despite its quick handling, the lock is in no way inferior to other autolock carabiners in terms of safety. Find out how the HMS Rondo works and which other advantages it offers in this video. The HMS Rondo carabiner meets all expectations regarding easy handling and tangible safety. It is the ideal carabiner for any rope application. Without question, the Slide Autolock of the HMS Rondo is one of the most innovative locks on the market. But what exactly makes it so innovative? First of all, it is the fastest autolock in the world. The Slide Autolock can be opened easily by just pressing the embedded brass slider. The brass slider is the little push button here in the lock. When you release the slider, the gate automatically locks reliably. No matter if climbing, rappelling, or when involved in complex rescue situations. Very often, time is a decisive factor. And as you can see, this whole process takes less than half a second. As already mentioned in the beginning, the fast handling of the Slide Autolock doesn't affect its safety at all. Through the intelligent construction of the lock, it is nearly impossible to open the gate when there is pressure on it. This means that even if you, yourself, or any object pushes against the gate while belaying, the lock remains closed and can't be opened unintendedly. Compared to other carabiner models with sleeve locks, like screw locks or various twist locks, which can be unlocked through movements, the lock of the Slide Autolock can't be opened through movements of the belay loop, the belay device or the rope. The gate only opens when I want it to open. Another advantage is that the lock cannot be opened due to vibrations or manipulations caused by the rope. Especially screw lock carabiners are prone to vibrations through wind, longer movements or rappelling of the climber. These vibrations can lead to an unnoticed opening of the screw lock. The Autolock doesn't only convince in terms of speed, but also in terms of handling. The Slide Autolock can be opened easily with only one finger. With a bit of practice, it can be opened with the thumb, the index finger or even the middle finger, no matter the positioning of the carabiner. And because it is that easy, your fingers won't get tired even after opening the carabiner umpteen times. When I reach for the carabiners on my climbing harness, the Slide Autolock is always at hand and easy to open, even when wearing gloves. However, it depends a little bit on the glove's texture. Thanks to its convenient size, the carabiner holds nicely in the hands, and with a gate opening of 27 mm, it offers enough space for a perfect handling in every situation. When exposed to transverse loading, the carabiner tends to turn to its long side due to its special inner construction. This way, the carabiner has its highest braking loads. Speaking of braking loads, the HMS Rondo Slide Autolock has a braking load of 23 kN in longitudinal direction, 10 kN in the minor axis, and 7 kN with an open gate. The HMS Rondo is available in 5 different versions: without selfie twist protection, in green azure, purple black, or black hard coated. This coating protects the carabiner even more from rope friction, and therefore the carabiner and rope have a longer lifespan. Or with selfie twist protection, which keeps the carabiner in the right position while belaying, in black hard-coated or green azure. The models without twist protection have a weight of 84 grams. With selfie, the carabiner weighs 2 grams more. All models are certified according to EN 12275 and EN 362, which means that they may be used as personal safety equipment for mountain sports as well as for industrial work safety. The HMS Rondo with Slide Autolock is the perfect carabiner for any rope application. Besides its speed, it convinces with an absolutely intuitive handling and a manipulation-safe construction. In line with our philosophy, this carabiner is 100% made at our production site in Austria.